Like, look how cute this is. These are all the essential oils I had, and I had leftover stickers, so I didn't even have to handwrite any of them. Welcome to my Plan With Me and Free Printables video. I post videos every week. If you use my printables, make sure to hashtag Sunflower Child Doodles on Instagram, because I'd love to see them being used. I have a really small channel, so if you love them, maybe share this video. Here's my Plan With Me. Oh, thank you.
Here are the free printables that are in the description box. You can print them 1 page per sheet, which is great for like a B5 or most likely an A5, and then the 2 pages per sheet would be great for, you could also use this in your A5 or any smaller notebook, such as like a B6 or anything smaller. The links to all the stationery that I used in this video are in the description box. I started off with my Tombow Dual Brush muted pack, and then I went in with my Micron size 05 and put black around everything, and I did make sure to use pencil before I did everything. I think that just really helps you prevent mistakes. And I apologize for the dark shadow in this video. I recently got a new light, so my future videos will look a lot better, and probably in like 4 videos, because I already have a lot of footage with this setup. But anyways, I went in with the smaller tip of the dual brush for the vines, and I didn't like how thin it was, so I just went over it again with a heavier hand to make it thicker. And then for the bottles, I used my neutrals palette from Tombow, and at first I did do the lighter color, and then I went back in with the darker brown, and that is from the muted palette. I went in with a deep green and deep yellow color. These are from the muted palette as well. I tend to always use the Tombow muted or neutrals palette. I just love the color schemes of these palettes, and you know that the colors go together really well. You can get pretty similar colors with just the Crayola super tips. I do tend to use those a lot. I just like the convenience of the Tombows that go together and they're numbered and everything. So for the left side, I used a corkscrew paper. I felt like it really went well with the essential oils bottle. If I were to go back, I would probably cut it out to make it look more like leaves. I think that would have been really cool, but I didn't think of it at the time. So for the essential oils title, I went in with my Bic brown pen. I mean, you could really use any fine liner that's brown. You could use black, and then I went over it with the shadow. I'm gonna make sure in my future videos that I do more of an up close for when I do details like that, just in case you don't know how to do that. So I used a ton of stickers from Hobby Lobby. I am obsessed with Hobby Lobby, and I always want to go on Sundays, but they're closed on Sundays, which is probably much better for my bank account. For the small essential oil bottles at the bottom, I used the 2 pages per sheet, and for the diffuser on the right side, it was from the 1 page per sheet. And then I added some butterflies. This whole sticker palette was $2 from Hobby Lobby, and I think the gold ones were also $2. Don't forget to hashtag Sunflower Child Doodles if you use any of my free printables or recreate any of my spreads. I love to see if you've made your own. I went in with my Faber-Castell gel highlighter. If you watch any other of my videos, you know that I pick these metallic gel highlighters up all the time. It just really gives that iridescent feel, which is always the look I want to go for. And It doesn't bleed or anything. It's kind of like a crayon on magical steroids. I'm obsessed with these things, and I like to just use a napkin to apply it and swish it around. These stickers you can buy on Amazon. I guess I'll put the link to that in the description as well. And I actually, look how cute that is. I wanted to show you a close-up. So I have a ton of these stickers because I bought the essential oils box that holds the essential oils, but like I said, you can just buy them separate as well. I made sure to lightly put the stickers on just in case I wanted to move them, and then I pressed them down at the end. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.